everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make pebre. It's a Chilean sauce recipe that's huge on flavor, and it's traditionally made with Aji Chili Peppers. So let me show you how to make it. To make your pebre, the first thing we are going to add to it is the aji peppers. I have 5 aji peppers that are chopped up. The thing is, if you can't find aji peppers, you can use other peppers, like a thicker walled pepper with a little bit of spice to it is great. Or you can even make it with sweeter bell peppers, like orange bell could work. And you can always add a little bit of cayenne if you want to add some spice to it, but ajis are traditional. Get them in there. And then we have half of an onion, just roughly chopped. And some garlic. I got 4 cloves in there. And here's a 1/4 cup cilantro. And I've got a couple tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil right here. And then we're going to process this up. All right, and you can kind of see what it looks like when it's nicely processed up. Smells good. And I'm going to go ahead and drizzle in another 1/4 cup of olive oil. That's why I like this little feature where I can just turn it on and start drizzling. Whoop. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. See how it sort of thickens up from emulsifying, and it's delicious. So let's go ahead and pour this into a bowl and we can take a look. Ooh, looks good. Delicious. And then we're going to go ahead and adjust it for salt and pepper to your personal tastes. Usually I just like a little bit of salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper. I love black pepper. Look at that. Looks delicious to me. So, all right, let's go ahead and serve it up. All right, so that's how you make pebre. It's huge on flavor, like I said. It's an outstanding general purpose sauce. A lot of people, I love it on grilled meats. It's outstanding for that. But a lot of people like to just serve it on bread. So let's give it a taste. A little bit of spice. Delicious. The gorgeous garlic. Love it. Hope you guys like it. Chili Pepper Madness.